Go ahead.
Oh, hop on. And box! Yes! Okay, no, can I, okay, my box, thank you. What? I'm so happy with the box.
Okay, pull that apart. Is that not enough?
No, I'm good. Easy, I'm so excited! More, please. Second serving. Second serving. Second serving. What is it? Piano.
A keyboard.
Yes, no, it's a piano. A miniaturized. Oh, that's a name. Can I be it?
Go ahead, Stu.
Piano. Coins. I don't know. It's a box. It's an even smaller box. Hey, look at this. Yeah. It's a box. Yes.
Box of what? Box of rocks?
What's in it? How do I open it?
You move that down and open it up.
I almost hit myself in the face again.
Go ahead, open it up.
Yeah, I was like,
No, that's closing
as fast as I can. I hit
Open it up. Now open the top.
It might be a shirt. It isn't. Whoa.
A harmonica.
Let's see.
Blow into it. Blow into it. Go.
Greg, go back and forth while you're blowing. Go back and forth while you're blowing it, Gregory.
Back and forth.
Come on.
There you go. That's how you use it.
Can we open our stockings now? No.
Yeah, your stockings you can open up. As you should open up the other day.
Pink fluffy socks.
Blue fluffy socks. That was pretty good.
Yes.
Fluffy socks. I like this thing. Most people don't like socks, but I like socks.
I don't care.
Say thank you, Grandpa. Merry Christmas.
Thank you, Grandpa. Merry Christmas. Thanks, Grandpa. Thank you, Grandpa.
Say Merry Christmas.